Hey guys, before I start this video, I want to mention that even the title says don't install, I'm not trying to diss PrimeOS in any way. If you follow my channel, then you know that a couple of months back I did a video about the old version naming it the best Android OS for gaming. And I still stand by it, it still remains my favorite Android OS for gaming. But I feel like they rushed with this release. At the end of last year, I got an email from PrimeOS team where they announced this update, and of course I got excited. I immediately installed it, got ready to make video about it, then to discover that you cannot make screen recording. And not just natively, but no app in the entire Play Store seems to work. And to make a half-decent video about it, you need screen capture, not film with the phone like in this case, especially if you want to show the gaming performance. So I emailed back, told them the issue and got an answer that this will be fixed soon and if I can still make the review. Sadly, by the time I got their reply, I discovered a bunch of other issues, and not just small ones, but things that had to do with gaming, which is the main strength of PrimeOS. And all those issues together made me hold back with the video until a stable version arrives. Because like I said, I really like PrimeOS and I want to make a fair video about it. But then this happened. I recently found a bunch of videos on YouTube about the new released PrimeOS 2.0 with Android 11 and all that blah 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 blah. But not a single one of them talked about the problems that PrimeOS has during gaming, the crashes, incompatibilities and so on. All the videos are just about how to install PrimeOS, and once installed, that was the end of the video. And this is what I want to make clear now. PrimeOS is great. When it will be stable, it will be awesome. But if you run the old version or another Android OS, do not rush to install it, because it's just not done, not ready. While trying to download a simple wallpaper, Google Chrome crashed like 8 times or even more, I guess. Many of the games were crashing or they don't even open at all. To be fair, they did say that they work to make PUBG compatible, but what about Free Fire or other games that I've tested in the previous video? Free Fire was working well on the old version and now it doesn't even open. I had key mapping problems on games that I've tested last time and they worked well. The recommended games from Game Center are not available or I cannot install them, not all, but some. The screen capture, like I said, it's a major bummer for me because I need it for the video. I don't know, it's just simply not worth it. Yet. I say yet because when it will be a stable and bug-free version, I'm sure it will be the best again. Because even with all these issues, the OS runs very smooth, it's fast, snappy, you can really feel the upgrade from Android 7 to Android 11. I really like the look of it also because honestly that Android 7 look that most of them still have to this day is really getting old. I also like the Game Center, it really captures the vibe that PrimeOS is selling. I like that you can monitor your CPU usage, your RAM usage, storage, how many hours you play and so on. Your games, your favorite games, recommended, all this together will make PrimeOS really the best, without any doubt the best Android OS for gaming. But not today, we still have to wait a little bit longer. I will definitely make a full review of the operating system once it's officially released, so if you are not subscribed yet, then do it now so you won't miss the video when it's online. Also, if you want to see my previous PrimeOS review, then check the video from the left, and if you want to learn more about all the ways you can install Chrome OS on your device, then check the playlist from the right. And you are more than welcome to hit the logo in the middle to subscribe. Thank you. Cheers.